This is Heirloom, a patcher preset I designed for making Botanica, Hyperpop, and Dariacore. On the left-hand side, you have all the controls to shape the tone of your sound, and on the right, you have two different independent effects modules. The Bubble Snipper module is a bubbly spectral reverb with 4 different modes and an aura switch that adds a lush reverb behind the spectral layer. The snip knob introduces a gate to the reverb to give it a little bit more of a rhythmic texture. It has a few customizable parameters of its own. The Color Swell module is a fun little multi-effects unit. It has a low pass along with a volume slider in case you want to do some fade-ins. It also has a built-in compressor and a solo knob, along with the bubble snipper, and a few customizable parameters of its own. And the position of this slider picks between different effects presets. Each version has 4 different synth sound sources and 4 different organic sound sources. Dawn, which has brighter sounding oscillators with the tone knob adding some sparkly harmonics. Day, which has 4 different piano sounds instead of synth oscillators, along with 4 more unique organic sound sources. And Dusk, which has the standard oscillator shapes sine, triangle, square, and saw, and 4 different organic sound sources of its own. I'm not going to go over what every single knob does, but I will show how easy it is for me to design a sound from the initialized patch based off these 3 little MIDI loops I have. Heirloom's also velocity sensitive, and it's built using all native FL plugins with the exception of Phase Plant, Snap Heap, and OTT. And you can get it for $6 over on Gumroad in the Generative Patcher Instruments set, which contains it and 2 other patcher instruments that I've made.